Thingira-inĩ wa Iregi kuria President William Ruto na First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto ni maranyitire ugeni Thingira-inĩ wa Iregi atumia na athuri a mangabana kuria maramoririe makorwo na wirutiri mibango-inĩ ya kwarahura miturire ya aria matongoragia matura-inĩ. Mama Rachel Ruto aroririe atumia a mangabana manyitane na mathondeke mubango wa kunyitirira nduriri tabarira-inĩ ngũrani ta cia uhandi wa miti na ciama cia ngumbaco niguo gukurania. First Lady no endekithitie tabarira ya ucenjania wa irio kuria kaunti iria iri na bũthi wa irio ibatie kunyitirira aria magumeirwo ni ng'aragu.
Let us plant and grow trees because that is something that is affecting everybody. The issues of environment and climate change is a reality. And by growing these trees, we are actually going to be impacting generations to come. And before long, we will be able to see the impact of growing of the trees. Suppose we told ourselves as county spouses, first spouses, working with my office, let's put aside, even just to start with, 1 day in a year, to do a cleanup exercise in our counties. And we support each other. You mobilize the people in your county.
I will welcome your participation, your contribution, your support, and your voice on especially women empowerment. And that can be done even by the male spouses. It's good for... I think it's amplified when men speak about women issues. I think it carries much more weight.
On tree planting, Your Excellency, the rallying call has been picked by all the First Ladies, especially after our visit to Kakamega. And in most of our programs, when we go to the counties, we plant trees first before we do anything. Just recently, during the day of zero tolerance to FGM in my county, I was able to plant, despite the drought, 350 trees in 4 different schools. So it is doable. All we are asking is how do we do it together, because so that we can provide the institutions with the relevant tanks so that they can be able to do that.